Not only is that log on fire, it also weighs 100 pounds and is over 16 feet long. This is going in his mouth, bro. This is going in.
Oh my God, Telga. God bless America.
He ain't holding nothing back. I'm not gonna wait till the finale. I'm going now. I'm not gonna wait till the finale because I might not get there.
He's holding up 100 pounds with his teeth.